Cardano generally is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that in a real sense has a current worth of 37 cents and a market capitalization of $12932499283, which is very huge. Digital currencies certainly have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which essentially is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which is very critical. Some essentially huge venture banks even fundamentally secure Cardano and really other digital forms of money as a group to in a real sense safeguard their resources under administration against the jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to basically uncover our short, mid, and by and large long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that generally depend on the readings of our truly one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that fundamentally assists us with measuring the market opinion and generally expect where in which the market means to go, which basically is genuinely critical. At this point, the cost of Cardano is 37 cents, while the coin presently for the most part ends up at 7th spot in the sort of in general positioning, or so they essentially thought. The said truly positioning really is assessed based on the resource's current value that fundamentally is duplicated by its extremely current market capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a by and large enormous manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients in a real sense get the most significant information in regards to the presentation of computerized asset in their portfolios in an essentially significant way. It's likewise critical to by and large consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, which for the most part is very huge. On May 22nd, the cost of Cardano generally was at 36 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change fundamentally added up to 0.44% in a sort of large manner. 7 days prior, on May 16th, ADA for the most part was esteemed at 36 cents, which truly intends that from that point forward, the cost has basically changed by 0%, which certainly is very huge. A month prior, on April 23rd, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at 39 cents. In this manner, the coin fundamentally has made a 6.39% move to arrive at its in every way that really matters, present standings in fact. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main pretty factor that we for the most part consider while making the cost expectation, which is genuinely huge. It's likewise vital to by and large watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to essentially have an in every way that really matters clear perspective on where the market is going, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Recently, on May 22nd, ADA truly had a market capitalization of $12568611199 in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week. On May 16th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $12811444897, so sort of keep going week. On May 16th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to truly was recorded at $12811444897, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. A month prior, on April 23rd, the market worth of Cardano sort of was evaluated to be $13784107894. Be that as it may, while the market capitalization in a real sense offers a suitable sign of the ubiquity and the predominance of Cardano, it doesn't generally relate with the created exchanging volume inside similar market, which in every practical sense is likewise consistently calculated and while making the comprehensive cost expectation, showing how yesterday, on May 22nd, ADA generally had a market capitalization of $12568611199 in a significant manner. In contrast to that of stocks, the capitalization of digital currencies, including that of ADA, could be twisted by the sporadically essentially big number of exchanges that could happen on the organization for various reasons, including truly hacking endeavors, which certainly is genuinely huge. The huge spike in kind of such exchanges frequently applies a by and large direct effect on the cost of the fundamental computerized resource and could bring about an unwarranted increment of market capitalization that gives financial backers who truly are checking the market a kind of off-base thought regarding the certified worth of the digital currency, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. That is the reason it's of genuinely tremendous significance to focus on past information and especially shun engaging with the market that exhibits the running business sector capitalization as they sort of are frequently commonly inclined, controls that could negatively affect the presentation of one's portfolio in an in every practical sense huge way. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which generally shows that it's likewise vital to generally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. These digital currencies can basically be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an essentially significant manner. This very metric additionally figures the coins that especially have been transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which fundamentally is applied to control the expansion rate, exhibiting that currently, now is the ideal time to especially uncover our short, mid, and genuinely long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ADA market that depend on the readings of our essentially novel crypto unpredictability record that truly assists us with measuring the market opinion and expect where in which the market plans to go, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this point, the essentially all-out supply of Cardano explicitly is laid out at 35810-438-257 ADA, which is genuinely huge. In conclusion, the flowing stockpile certainly is utilized to truly compute the market capitalization and in every practical sense, survey the coins for the most part current remaining in the positions, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. It means the general measure of ADA that is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly for the most part put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which certainly is very huge. It's by and large really accepted that digital currencies that especially have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million in a real sense are the most reasonable for certainly long-haul speculation since they are general, in every way that really matters, prone to in a real sense value and esteem over a drawn-out time frame, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an exceptionally significant manner. At this point, Cardano truly has a circling supply of 34867065690 coins, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the mark of $145,548,166, or so they generally thought. Yesterday, on May 22nd, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame basically remained at $116,403,586 in an especially enormous manner. 7 days prior, on May 16th, how much ADA that sort of was traded between market members explicitly was assessed at $176,424,161, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Presently fundamentally comes an opportunity to essentially make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto instability file, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to especially predict the way that Cardano will in every practical sense follow over the essentially next 1 to 5 years, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 114 explicitly is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a genuinely one-of-a-kind equation for measuring and imagining the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the creative fundamentally